everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing a little journal page I created with some of the new products from the April release. The first thing I'm going to do is create a fun little border element on either side of the pages, and I'm going to be using this beautiful little floral accent element from the Envelope Art stem set. This is a wonderful stem set, great for embellishing your envelopes, but you can also use it on layouts or cards. So now that I've got those little border elements in place, I'm going to stamp a couple of hearts in a lovely pink color, and this heart is also on the Envelope Art stamp set. Now that I've got my little stamped elements in place, I'm going to take the Confetti stencil and blend in some blue color. This Confetti stencil is composed of hearts, stars, and little dots. So I'm just going to add the color and to my blending brush and just gently blend this color over the pages. And I'm not going to do the whole page, I'm just going to do a couple of spots, and you can move the stencil along and the images will match up nicely. So if you wanted to, you could do a whole scrapbook layout with this background as well. I love adding little doodled elements to my pages, scrapbook pages or journal pages. So I just took a black pen and went around those pretty little pink hearts just to make them stand out a little bit more. So now that I've got my background in place, I'm going to start adding all the different elements. So I've cut out around my photo. I don't do this a lot, but sometimes I think it just works. And I've had a bit of scrap paper left over. This is paper from the Live Your Dream collection. And with my scissors, I'm just going to cut out some leaf elements and some floral elements. And these are going to be my embellishments on my page. I also had a couple of flowers left over from a previous project. These are flowers from the Fabulous Florists stamp set, and I thought it'd be nice just to pop them on the spread as well because the colors matched really well with those cut out little elements. So now that I'm happy with all the little embellishments, and these are all paper embellishments, I'm going to glue them down and then continue working on the spread. Finding a title isn't always easy, but I decided to use two sentiments on my spread, and I'm using the sentiments from the Precious Blooms stamp set. I'm going to stamp one on one side and the other on the other side. Now, to finish off this spread, I'm going to add a couple of details. I'm going to be using the Sweet Dreams washi tape and just adding a couple of strips. One on the top here and then another one on the other page but at the bottom. And this is just going to frame the spread and also highlight the sentiments which I popped onto the spread. Once that's done, all I have to do is add a little bit of hand journaling and a couple of enamel dots, and that's that. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you've got any comments or any questions, just pop them in the comment section, and don't forget to check out the Altenew Mixed Media Scrapbook blog for more information on all the products used. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you very soon, and happy scrapping. Bye bye.